The role of scenario analysis in the operational risk management framework is instrumental in helping organizations understand and prepare for potential risks and uncertainties that may impact their operations. Scenario analysis involves creating hypothetical situations or what-if scenarios to evaluate how various events could affect the organization's objectives, operations, and financial performance. We will now explore the significance of scenario analysis in the operational risk management framework and how it supports risk identification, risk assessment, risk mitigation, decision-making, and business resilience. Identifying emerging risks. Scenario analysis allows organizations to identify and assess emerging risks that might not be apparent in historical loss data. By exploring potential future scenarios, organizations can anticipate new risks arising from changes in the business environment, technology advancements, regulatory developments, or other factors. This proactive approach enables organizations to address emerging risks before they materialize and cause significant impact. Assessing risk exposure. Through scenario analysis, organizations can assess their risk exposure under different conditions. By simulating a range of scenarios, including best case, worst case, and moderate case scenarios, organizations can estimate the potential impact of risks on their financial performance and capital adequacy. This information aids in setting appropriate risk tolerance levels and capital reserves to manage operational risks effectively. Evaluating control measures. Scenario analysis helps evaluate the effectiveness of existing control measures in mitigating potential risks. By testing various scenarios, organizations can identify weaknesses in their controls and assess whether existing measures would be sufficient to address the impact of adverse events. This evaluation allows for targeted improvements in controls to enhance the organization's risk resilience. Stress testing. Scenario analysis serves as a stress testing tool for the organization's risk management framework. Stress tests involve subjecting the organization to extreme scenarios to evaluate its ability to withstand adverse conditions. Through stress testing, organizations can identify vulnerabilities, evaluate the robustness of risk management strategies, and develop contingency plans for extreme events. Enhancing decision-making. Scenario analysis provides decision-makers with valuable insights to make informed decisions under different risk scenarios. By considering the potential outcomes of various scenarios, management can evaluate the risks and rewards associated with different business strategies. This information helps in selecting the most appropriate risk response strategies, capital allocation, and investment decisions. Business continuity planning. Scenario analysis is a critical tool in business continuity planning. By exploring different disaster scenarios, organizations can develop comprehensive contingency plans to ensure continuity of critical operations in the face of disruptions. These plans may include emergency response protocols, alternative business locations, and communication strategies to minimize the impact of adverse events. Understanding interdependencies. Through scenario analysis, organizations can gain a deeper understanding of the interdependencies between different risks and business processes. Scenarios often involve multiple risk factors, and analyzing their interactions helps identify potential chain reactions and cascading effects. This understanding enables organizations to take a holistic approach to risk management and develop integrated risk mitigation strategies. Regulatory compliance. Scenario analysis is crucial for meeting regulatory requirements related to stress testing and risk measurement. Many regulatory frameworks, such as Basel Roman II and Roman III, require financial institutions to conduct scenario analysis as part of their risk management and capital planning processes. Compliance with these regulations ensures that organizations have robust risk management practices in place. Facilitating communication and reporting. Scenario analysis results can be used to communicate risk insights to various stakeholders. By presenting different scenarios and their potential impacts, organizations can provide clear and transparent information to boards, regulators, investors, and other stakeholders. This communication fosters a shared understanding of the organization's risk exposure and risk management strategies. Improving business resilience. Ultimately, scenario analysis contributes to improving the organization's business resilience. By identifying potential risks, evaluating control effectiveness, and preparing for adverse events, organizations become better equipped to navigate uncertainties and challenges. The insights gained from scenario analysis enable organizations to adapt quickly and make informed decisions during times of crisis, ensuring continuity and long-term sustainability. Scenario analysis is a critical component of the operational risk management framework. It serves as a proactive tool for identifying emerging risks, assessing risk exposure, and evaluating control effectiveness. Scenario analysis enhances decision-making, aids in business continuity planning, and ensures regulatory compliance. Moreover, it fosters communication, transparency, and shared understanding of risks among stakeholders.